Okay, so for today's video, not only am I going to teach you a concept, but I'm going to show you how to use it in real life, and this is really cool. So if you're like me, before I even came on the team or even was familiar with master books, I was traditionally schooled and we did learn fraction concepts, but it wasn't like this. We weren't taught how to use it in real life. So today I'm gonna make some pancakes for myself, and not a sponsor. So the instructions say you'll need a cup of mix and 2/3 cup of water, but I only want half of that. Well, that's easy with a cup, right? Because half of a cup is 1/2 cup. That's pretty simple and straightforward, right? But what is half of 2/3? Well, here's the trick. To find out half of any fraction, multiply the denominator by 2 and then simplify when necessary, right? So 2/3, we multiply the denominator by 2. 2/6. If we simplify that, it's 1/3. So half of 2/3 is 1/3. Now I know what you're thinking. Pancakes, really? Well, what if you're making a recipe that's really complex and there's a lot of ingredients with a lot of fractions and maybe you only want half of that? Well, like for example, 2 3/4. If we want half of 2 3/4, well, we could say half of 2 is 1 and half of 3/4 is 3/8. So 1 3/8 for whatever ingredient that would be. All right, so there you have it. Now you know a little bit more about bringing a math concept in the real world, and baking is perfect when we're dealing with fractions. So yeah, I hope this video helps out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. Let me know down in the comments what's a video you want to see next. Take care, guys. Have a great day.